Hello, welcome to another special video by Guman HLR. Today I am joined with... I'm joined by JPEG Man, SBC Weather 410, Weather Fan Alert 1998, Recon EAS, and the FC Man. Alright, so let's show you what I got. First, let's get my trusty axe out to cut it, since I don't know where my knife went. Yes, I forgot. I forgot where my knife went. One sec. All right, so I cut that now. Oh crap! This is harder to open than I thought.
Congratulations, I'll see you guys later. Subscribe to me. Thank you very much, and goodbye.
Subscribe to Recom. Subscribe to everyone here, and subscribe to me especially. I need 100 subs. Nope, I'm gonna have to. It'd be before I accidentally cut my arm off unboxing a radio. Oh crap. I didn't know this was also a destruction video, so there we go. Alright, finally, after about 2,000 years, I have the box open. Now, it does not look like it came in its original box. This looks like it's an AC adapter. It is. So let's just feed this over here and take it out of its bubble wrap. JPEG Man, are you on drugs? Alright, JPEG Man is on drugs. He's on Sterling drugs. And here is the WR11. Show you it to Discord here. And now this will be added to my radio collection. Let's boot it up. Power adapter is just a normal power adapter that would come with like a WR100. And let's plug it in. This is a very long power cable. So, alright, sorry for the little pause there. Now we will just plug this in. So it looks like it has a WR100 antenna on it, and a test. Oof. All right, so let's put this on weather, and where do I freaking tune the weather channel? Oh, so. Alright, so that's what that is. test alert mode. No shit. All right, that is super loud. Wow.
Hey, Antonio.
Oh hey, Antonio's here.
Antonio's here, also known as...
The WR11 is really freaking loud. Jesus. I know. I need to set the time. I will not do that on camera since my phone's probably about to run out of space, but this thing is actually, it looks really small, but it's actually kind of big. Here, I'll compare it to a WR120. Here's it compared to a 120. And screw it for the lulz. Let's compare it to its predecessor, the Crunchwrap Supreme. I mean the WR10.
Oh, I got power outage.
It's the Crunchwrap Supreme.
I had like a major power outage a couple days ago.
All right, so that's about it. Thanks you for watching this. Yep, subscribe to them. Subscribe to Core the Glaceon, I mean FC Man. Let's all do it at the same time. No, actually no. Alright, so that's about it. My phone's about to run out of space. Subscribe to these awesome people. I'll link their channels in the description of this video. And that's another Gooman HLR video. Bye!